2001 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, little over 40,000 miles on this one. Cool part about this car, Millennium Yellow with a 6-speed. Don't see those every day. LS1 powered underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. Want to check out the still pictures of this car? You can see them at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Does have the 1SC preferred equipment package. You get heads-up display, selective ride control, polished wheels. So nicely equipped Corvette. Power driver's seat. Double check on that passenger seat a second. Yes, power passenger seat. Also black interior, bucket seats. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Black cloth top, manual top, of course. One person can put it up in a minute or less. We'll put that up at the end of the video. Quick do a video of that too, show you the condition of it. It is definitely in nice shape also. There's also a still picture of the RPO codes if you want to see exactly how this car is equipped. You can check out the RPO codes and the still pictures. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. All right, as far as the interior, of course, memory seating, Bose stereo, power mirrors, power windows, power locks. Again, very nicely equipped Corvette. Good looking C5. As far as the seat, there is a little wear here in the bolster. Show you that area. The rest of the seats look good. All right, let's go ahead, check out the exact miles on this one. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay and I'll put that top up. There you go. 42,447. AM FM cassette player. There's your electronic dual climate control. Take a look at the dash. Also in nice shape. There's your heads-up display. Working fine. Of course, the controls for that are right there, so it can be adjusted. If you don't like it, turn it off. Want to dim it or make it brighter, that can be done. Center dump exhaust. Doesn't sound like there's any major modifications done to this as far as performance or sound. We do have those taillight treatments that would be an aftermarket. All right, let's see, let's pop the hood. I can do that with the camera in my hand here. All right. There you go, there's underneath the hood. Hood liner looks good. Doesn't appear this has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. There's a 5.7 liter LS1. Now remember, paired to that 6-speed manual transmission. Take a look from the passenger side. Nice, clean, tidy compartment. Looks good. All right, one last thing. I'm going to shut it up, turn it off, and put that top up, and we'll be back in a second. We'll take a look at the condition of that top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up to check out. Black cloth, free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Of course, manual top. One person can put it up or down, basically a minute or less. Very simple to do. Rear glass window, rear defogger. Down to the passenger side here, and you can see how nicely the side windows fit into it, and of course the windshield. Nice tight fit up there, so if you need to stay out of the elements, whether it be the sun, maybe a little rain, it's going to serve its purpose. There you go, 2001 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, 6-speed. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call.